Welcome to your daily Techpresso. In today's episode, we'll cover NVIDIA's new robo-taxi fleet, ads coming to Apple Maps, and X getting rid of the last parts of Twitter. We'll also talk about Qualcomm's new AI chips, workers using AI to fake expenses, and a new lawsuit against Microsoft. First up, NVIDIA is reportedly building a robo-taxi fleet. The company is investing $3 billion to create its own fleet for use in the United States. This project is separate from its work with other big car companies. The goal is to improve its own self-driving technology. NVIDIA will use a single-stage, end-to-end system for these cars. This may use its Cosmos world model to create video to train the AI. Internal tests showed NVIDIA's system needed more human help than Tesla's. This robo-taxi fleet is seen as a way to close that performance gap. Next, let's talk about Apple Maps. According to a new report, Apple may start showing ads in its Maps app next year. This would let businesses pay to appear higher in search results. This advertising model is very similar to how Google Maps already works. Restaurants and stores could pay to promote themselves to people nearby. Apple will reportedly try to make its ads better than the competition. The company plans to use a cleaner interface and AI to show people more relevant results when they search for places. Moving on, X is getting closer to removing the last reminders of Twitter. The company is requiring users with physical security keys or passkeys to re-enroll them. This is being done so the company can fully retire the old Twitter.com domain name. These hardware-based login methods are tied to a specific web address. They will not work with the new X.com address until they are manually updated. Users must complete this process by the November 10th deadline. If they don't, their accounts will be locked until the update is finished. Now for some hardware news. Qualcomm is releasing new AI chips to compete with AMD and NVIDIA. The company is entering the data center market with its new AI200 and AI250 accelerator chips. These are based on the same technology found in its smartphone processors. The new chips are designed for AI inference, which is the process of running an AI model. They are not focused on training models. Qualcomm claims a key advantage is that its chips support more memory than NVIDIA's offerings. It also promises lower operating costs for customers. In other AI news, workers are scamming their employers with fake receipts. The expense software company AppZen found that AI-generated documents are a growing problem. In September, these fakes made up 14% of all fraudulent expense submissions. That number was 0 just last year. These AI receipts look so realistic that human reviewers often can't tell they are fake. Experts are warning businesses that people can no longer trust their own eyes. Companies may need special software to scan the file data of each receipt, but even this is not a perfect solution. Finally, Microsoft is being sued in Australia. The country's consumer watchdog claims the company misled customers. The lawsuit is about a price hike when Microsoft added its Copilot AI to Microsoft 365 subscriptions. Customers were not told about a cheaper plan without the AI. The lawsuit says Microsoft forced customers to either pay up to 45% more or cancel their plan. A less expensive classic plan was available, but was hidden. This Australian case could set a precedent for how Microsoft sells its AI products around the world. Thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow for your daily Techpresso.